What is going on, everybody? So today is August 12th, and we are pretty much bullish. I mean, today is one of those days. We've been in this high time frame chop. My trade last night, trade idea was right. I mean, you can see that we ended up going higher. I just got reswept on it, and then we just kept going higher. It's whatever. But the charts right now, we did have CPI news. And we did have this massive wick lower into a 1 hour gap, and that is our data low. So that could be like seen as manipulation lag. Just we like to take out data high, data low. So it's like I have this 15-minute here marked out because we are edging previous day high. So I do have a 15-minute marked out, which there will be a 30-minute on ES, but there won't be a 15-minute. But the only reason why I don't really necessarily like that 15-minute is because it's created with LR off of CPI. So like we could definitely want to come back lower and take out data lows, but yeah, we'll see what happens. It looks like we're about to hit previous day high. I'm assuming that we're just gonna like expand higher, hit previous day high, and then we're gonna have an expansion lower. That's what I think is gonna happen. We're about to take previous day high. It's not in any key levels or anything. We have all these like stacked highs right here. So I'm gonna see what happens. Maybe we trade lower, sweep data lows, and get a trade higher. Yeah, but looks like we're gonna sweep previous day high, and 930 will probably be our just distribution leg lower. But we will see. We're SMTing it. We're SMTing the high. See that we just have like pretty much low resistance liquidity. Even though a 30-minute gap is going to form, that the 30-minute is created off of news. And it's just low resistance. So I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I don't know if I want to take a long off of this 15. I just don't like it. So we'll see what happens though. So market's about to open. We'll see what it does. I could see a short, but it's like taking a Judas off a no key level. These are 1 hour interior highs on ES. So we'll see. We will see. Market opens in 5 seconds. Let's see what market does. Probably manipulates higher to then go lower. Or just don't. Because we already hit previous day high. Alright, ES is dumping. About to hit this 30-minute. We hit the 30-minute. Like, we already have the stop hunt because you can see how we stall out. We manipulate higher, like, or we trade higher, I should say. Not necessarily manipulate, but we trade higher into the previous day high. And we have just straight low resistance liquidity below, leading to data lows. I mean, imagine that we're dumping. It's pretty obvious. It's just not valid. Yep. Imagine that. It's like I know where fucking price is going. Like I said, I don't want to take a trade off this 15 just because of what it's created off of. It's just low resistance below leading to data lows. Like, this is just shit. We're probably just going to sell off, like I said in the beginning of the video, how we're just going to dump. It's just not valid for me to take. Or in this 1 hour. Not respecting it. So what happens to this 15? Maybe we create like a 5-minute, get a cont lower or something. But it looks like ES is just going to dump. Blowing through the 30-minute. Yeah. See if we get any pullbacks, but in that hourly gap. I didn't really notice the hourly because we were just displacing through it. That's okay though. See if we get like a pullback and then we can get more of a trade lower, but I mean there's no entries either way. I mean I could just probably enter a short and it would play, but it's like probably just do this. Real shit. I'm just not going to. It's just not valid. It's just not an actual trade. Oh yeah. It's so obvious. So I don't know. We'll see if a 2-minute opens. We've been getting a lot of 2-minute pullbacks. We are just in this 15, which sucks, but we're gonna blow through it. And we're blowing through the 30-minute, and it's created off of news, so we'll see what happens if a 2-minute forms and if we get like a retest of this 2-minute, and maybe we get a short off of the 2-minute. Put my stop at this high though. So we'll see. Let's clean up my charts. 3 minutes right here. We could hit. We're in this 15 still. Trying to use some structure. Probably maybe take out that high. ES is generating some low structure for shorts. Displacing through this 30. Yeah, let's see. It's in a 4-minute. So that means we're in a 4-minute. Let's see if there's some form of trade idea like this. It's just we are in this 15-minute. So this 4 minutes now my like kind of condition. Do we respect it or do we disrespect it? We're currently trading off this 1 hour sweeping previous day high. We have data lows below. The only thing protecting that is this 15-minute. We did just kind of take all the low resistance liquidity. So now it's kind of like so we'll see. Yes, not caring about that 30. 5 minutes gonna open. That's the only thing. A 5-minute may open, but I don't know. We'll see what happens here with this 4-minute. We're in this 4-minute. We'll see if this like 2-minute or this 1-minute gets inversed. One thing is we could just be waiting for a 5. I like ES's structure. But it's just I don't think we'll need the 5-minute because we already hit this 4. So once this 4-minute, this 1-minute inverse. Okay, my mouse is like glitching. Could see us go lower from here. 100%. This could definitely take us lower. This 1-minute inverse. a little bit more of a discretionary trade. Gonna have my stop up here, which actually still gives me that 5 minute to protect me. We'll see though if this 1 minute inverses or not. And it does. I'm in this. So we're in with 3 cons. We're risking about 500. Not gonna hold till data lows, but I'm just taking this 4 minute con. I still have that 5 minute to protect me once it opens up. My stop is above the 5, so if I'm wrong on this setup, then I'm just gonna get stopped out. We are blowing through this 15 minute. We're reacting off previous day high and this 1 hour gap. We have data lows to target below, with this, which is in a 1 hour fair value gap. I'm just taking a 1-to-1 here, and we will see. We'll see what happens to this trade. If ES hits data lows before NQ, then I will be taking my position out. And yeah, so just gonna hold. I could see us wanting the 5 minute here in a minute, but it's almost like kind of like a breakaway gap because we already tapped into this 4 minute and clearly respected it, and this 4 minute was beating the 15. So I like this trade. Could pull back. I like ES's structure, and we have a clear, obvious draw below. So I'm just gonna hold. Let's utilize that 5 minute. I don't like how ES is going lower. Like we did just SMT these lows, which is kind of stupid, but still confident in this trade. Like I said, we can utilize this 5 minute gap, and we want to see this 5 minute get respected. And yeah, we have data lows right there. We will see. We will see. And like I said previously, the only reason why we might not want to go to data lows is just because it is in a 1 hour gap. And it's possible. Very is possible. But we will see. Like I said, we can utilize this 5 minute gap. ES is looking like it wants that data low. I just hope NQ wants to follow that. We did just SMT this low, so let's hope that this 5 minute is what sends us lower here. This 5 minute is my last line of defense. Or I could just get stopped. We are really close to my stop loss. Let's hope that that was enough. Looks like ES just hit a 5 minute as well. Let's hope that we want to just go lower now. Let's hope that we want to go lower now. Like I said though, if this trade loses, it loses. And I like the trade. We're really close to my stop. I don't like that 1 minute closure. Yeah, it's kind of sad if this gets stopped out because that's 3 losses in a row. But we'll see. We'll see what this 5 minute does. This would be a textbook trade if this like 1 minute gets in burst, or this 2 minute or whatever gets in burst down here. This would be a really good trade off this 5 minute. I'm basically just hoping that this 1 minute gets in burst though. Hoping that that's all we needed to do to go lower. Both pairs are in the 5 minute. Like, I really hope I don't get reswept again. Oh my gosh. The last like 2 trades I've taken, I've gotten swept out for just to go to my TP. Nice. Yeah, displace lower. Do it. Come on. Now this, if you're waiting for a trade off this 5 minute, which actually gets you a better entry, it's this 2 minute gap. But yes, utilize. Wow, we inverse this 5 minute. Oh my god, that's bad actually. 4 minutes not inverse, but I really need this 2 to get. Wow, that 5 minute got inverse. That's weird. It's probably just because of timing, but come on. Come on. I think I'm gonna get stopped. The fact that that 5 minute got inverse is bad for me. But the 5 minute here, let's see. This 2 minutes gonna be our tell. It looks like ES wants to go lower. Come on. Come on. Give me my 1-to-1 here. Give me my 1-to-1. Like I said, this 2 minutes gonna be our tell if we want to go lower or not. Reswap that 4 hour. Good turtle soup here. Actually, really like that. We're in this 4 minute gap as well, so that will be our tell if we want to go lower. 2 minute here as well. So we'll see. Like I said, we inverse this 15. I don't know why we would not go lower. PO3 wise, the 945 opens higher into this 5 minute gap. We do inverse it, but that's just kind of like time. Like, I don't know. I don't really think that inversion's that serious. And then you can see that we turtle soup that 4 minute. But like I said, we are in this 4 minute gap. So this is going to be our telltale if we're going lower or not. ES looks super good for shorts. We hit the 5 minute and we're getting this 2 minute IPG to the downside to then go lower to data lows. Like I said, I'm just holding my 1-to-1. And I'm in this trade. I can't even go break even if I wanted to. This 4 minute gap is going to be our tell if we want to go lower or not. The 2 minute just got respected at 3 minute. Yeah, it's not looking great. Not looking great. Why would we want to reverse off of this position, this area of price though, to go higher is my question. That's all I want to know. All I want to learn. We inverse this 15-minute gap. We push higher into this 5. Yeah, that's during my trade, but we're clearly respecting it now. This 4-minute should inverse in a minute. The 2-minute and 3-minute didn't, which I don't like that. All the 1 minutes are about to. Come on, just expand lower, man. Looks really good on the 4-minute time frame, this turtle soup. This would be a sweet win just because of like where my stop loss was. Like, that is amazing. That how I utilize that 5 minute could be the reason why I win this trade. But we'll see. ES, like I said, it looks great. Like, ES looks like it wants to go lower. We hit this 5-minute. We have a 2-minute IVG. Or no, we don't. Not yet. Not yet, but we're like, we just, I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm in the trade no matter what. If we get a closure below these lows, I will go break even. But ES hits my draw, I'll go break even. This could end up being just a break even trade, which kind of sucks. Definitely trail the stop to at least this high now. Come on, push lower. I just hope NQ can get there. Like, come on, NQ. Be volatile, NQ. You're supposed to be the more volatile pair. You got a deeper retrace. Like, come on, man. Don't let ES lead the show. Don't let ES lead the show. Just expand lower. Get me my 1-to-1. Expand lower. Get me my 1-to-1. Wow. ES's con looks so good. This is a con, yes. Get a 1-to-1 at data lows. Push lower. Come on. Push lower. Come on. Like, why? Like, why are we not just expanding to data lows right now? At least, yes. Like, I'm cool to go and break even on this trade. But let's like expand a bit. Like give me something. Like ES clearly wants data lows. NQ just doesn't want to do shit. Like what the fuck is this? 10 a.m. opens lower in a one-minute gap. Let me guess, we're gonna respect the 1-minute gap and fucking push the all-time highs. Why are we not going lower? What is stopping us from going lower is my question. Like, trying to learn from this right now, and there's like nothing. Look, we have a fresh 1 hour now below us, like fresh 1 hour below, data lows below. I'll go break even definitely if we hit this 1 hour before ES hits the data lows. That 1 hour is right there, and it actually is these lows right here. So I'll definitely go break even once we hit the 1 hour. But let's go. Let's get some volatility. Like, what the fuck? New York AM's been chopped cheese recently. Push, push, push. Okay. Okay. Hit the 1 hour. Fresh 1 hour we just made. There's no 1 hour on ES, is there? No. There's literally just nothing on ES except data lows. Like, this is gonna be a break-even trade, and it's gonna be so sad. Come on. I'm not going break even till you take what I want to see get taken. Straight up. Just it's a 1 hour gap. I gotta go break even. Plus ES is gonna hit my data lows. It's almost like I kind of want to just take my 150 winning day, but there's no point. I'm in drawdown on my account. And about to hit the 1 hour. No, didn't hit it yet. I'm gonna go break even until we hit that 1 hour. I wish NQ looked like ES right now. It'd be awesome. That would be awesome. Okay. And push. Okay. We're break even. And now we're just gonna see if we flush lower. I doubt it, but really like how I was able to utilize that 5 minute. You got to go break even here. I mean, you're in a 1 hour, so I'm hoping that you don't want to take me out at break even, and we do. All right, guys, went break even today. Not a bad break even. I'll take it. We hit a 1 hour gap, so I mean, I'm just not gonna hold through that 1 hour gap after seeing how our displacement is so weak. Like, we should have already been displacing lower. Data lows is right there. I think we're still gonna hit it. It's just I'm not gonna be in a trade once I hit a 4 hour or 1 hour gap. Yeah, I was able to utilize that 5 minute gap here. Had my stop like this at this body high, targeting a 1-to-1, and yeah, I just wasn't gonna hold that. So all right, guys, so looks like I went break even today. Really like the trade, had everything I wanted to see. We're just failing to distribute lower, and because we hit this fresh 1 hour, I don't want to be in this trade anymore. We're not showing enough volatility to go lower. ES is right there at data lows. I do think data lows is going to get swept on ES, but I don't think it's going to get swept on NQ today. Even though that wasn't my target, my 1-to-1 was only a couple points away. We'll take the break even. And yeah, so if you like this kind of content, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.